High-quality protein. Beef is a rich source of high-quality protein, containing all essential amino acids necessary for muscle growth, repair, and overall body function. Iron content. Beef is a good source of heme iron, which is more easily absorbed by the body compared to non-heme iron found in plant-based foods. Iron is essential for transporting oxygen in the blood. Vitamin B12. Beef is one of the best natural sources of vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function, the production of red blood cells, and the synthesis of DNA. Zinc. Beef is a good source of zinc, an essential mineral important for immune function, wound healing, and DNA synthesis. Selenium. Beef contains selenium, an antioxidant mineral that plays a role in protecting cells from damage and supporting thyroid function. Phosphorus. Beef is rich in phosphorus, a mineral important for bone health, kidney function, and energy metabolism. Complete nutrient profile. Beef provides a diverse range of nutrients, including various B vitamins, B6, niacin, riboflavin, vitamin E, and minerals such as potassium and magnesium. Satiety and weight management. Protein-rich foods, like beef, can contribute to a feeling of fullness, which may help with weight management by reducing overall calorie intake. Muscle maintenance. The amino acids in beef support muscle maintenance and repair, making it a valuable food for individuals engaged in physical activities or those looking to build muscle. Source of creatine. Beef is a natural source of creatine, a compound that plays a role in energy production during short, high-intensity activities, such as weightlifting or sprinting. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.